Good morning, grade 4 students. So, ma'am is first of all extremely sorry due to some technical issues. Our class got disconnected. So, let us follow up our class in this video. Okay. So, I think all of you are ready for class. Yeah. So, today what we are going to learn, we are going to identify characters, events and new words. You know what are characters? Yes, when we read stories, we find many characters, the important people in the story. And what are events? What are all the things that happen in the story? And also, we come across new words, isn't it? Yes. So, when we read a story, we don't know every word in that. Surely no? Yeah, we find unfamiliar words, some words that we don't know the meaning. So we are going to see all this in our story today. Okay, so how many of you like to read stories? That's great. Yes. So ma'am is going to show you something. Okay. See? Can you see this? Yes. So what are the things that you can observe in this picture? Wow, that's great. So you saw a golden duck? Yeah, correct. Then a lady. Okay. Two girls. Excellent. And mud house. That is superb. So we saw a mud house. We saw a lady. Then two girls and the golden duck. So what do you think the story is about? Wow, great. So, today's story is The Golden Goose. No? The Golden Goose. So, a very long time ago, there lived a magical goose. She had beautiful golden feathers. Not too far away from this goose lived a woman who had two daughters. They lived in an old mud house with creaking doors and windows that did nothing to keep the cold out. Every day they gathered old leaves and twigs to keep a small fire going. So what is creaking? So this is something new for ma'am, and ma'am is going to write it down in my word wall. So creaking. C-R-E-A-K-I-N-G, creaking. So ma'am does not know what is creaking. So now what you are going to do? You are going to look at this page and circle up all the hard words that you think that you don't know its meaning. Come and do it. Ma'am will give you 2 minutes time. So when you complete, your thumbs up. That's great. So I think you have completed it. So what's happening here? We see that there is a magical goose and she had beautiful golden feathers. And what happened? Little far away from that goose, there lived a family. There was a lady with two daughters. They lived in a mud house. And there what happened? They lived in a mud house, no? So the doors and the windows all were almost broken. So it was very cold. To keep themselves warm, they used to collect dry leaves and twigs and burn it to keep themselves warm during the nights. So was this goose a magical goose? Yeah, correct. So it is a magical goose. Okay. So how many daughters did that lady have? Excellent. Two daughters. Okay. So what did they do to keep themselves warm? Very good. So they did they gathered dry leaves and twigs and they lit it to keep themselves warm. Okay. Now we'll move on to the next page. So can you see this page? Wow, beautiful, isn't it? Yes. So what's happening here? So the goose felt very sad. Can you show sad face to ma'am? See, ma'am is feeling very sad. Yeah, that's great. So the goose felt very sad looking at these people, and it wanted to help everyone in the family. So what did it do? It plucked a golden feather and it gave it to them. So do you help others? That's great. So we all should help each other, right? Is helping a good habit or a bad habit? That's nice. So we should always help others. So can you circle up some hard words or new words that you come across in this page? Ma'am will give you 2 minutes time. Come on. Oh, that's great. You completed. Please show thumbs up. So ma'am's new word in this page is comfort. Okay. So then we move on to the next page. So all of you take page number 4. Yes. So can you observe these pictures? Yeah. So what's happening here? Yeah. So now what happens? This old woman is planning something very greedily, cunningly. So what she says, instead of taking one by one the feathers, why can't we pluck everything together? But these two girls, what they are saying is, no mama, we should not do that. Always it will pain for the goose. So this lady says, no, we have to pluck away everything so that we can become rich. We'll get more money. So now again, ma'am will give you 2 minutes time. So circle up the new words here. Come on, fast. So when you finish, so thumbs up. Great. That's excellent. So you have completed, right? Okay. So what was the lady's plan, the old lady's plan here? Can you answer me? Yeah, superb. So the old lady wanted to pluck away all the golden feathers. Very good. Why did she wanted to do that? Excellent. She wanted to become rich. She wanted to get more money. Okay, great. So what did the daughters tell them? Wow. The daughters say it will hurt the goose. But what do you think? Did that lady agree and said, okay, don't want to pull the feathers out? No, she didn't do it. Now coming to the next page. So can you see here what happens? Yeah, so the golden goose comes again. And what happens? This lady catches it tight and she plucks away all the feathers. But to her, what happened? All the feathers became the normal feathers like a hen, white in color. Why? Because only when the golden goose wishes to give its feather, it will remain golden color. Otherwise, it will become normal feathers. So this lady learned a good lesson for being greedy. So can you circle up some new words that you can find in this page? Come on. Yeah, ma'am found one. So the next word is ledge. So what about you? Have you completed? Yeah, that's great. Superb. Okay, so turn to the next page. So what happened here? So all are sad, right? So why they were sad? Because of their greediness. They wanted more and more money. So after that, what happened? The goose never returned to help these people. So this is a lesson for them, right? Yes. So we should always be helpful to others and we should never be greedy. Okay. So now can you circle some new words, hard words in this page? Yeah, ma'am too found one. So ma'am found two. So folly and then dismay. Yeah, that's great. So what did you think from the story? What you understood from this story? Yeah, well, how was the old lady in this story? That's great. She was a greedy lady. What did she wanted to do with the golden goose? Excellent. She wanted to pluck away all the feathers. And what happened at last? Yeah, that's great. All the feathers became white because only when the golden goose wishes to give its feathers, it will remain golden. Otherwise, it will become normal feathers. Yeah. So, was it good circling hard words? Why did we do this? Yeah, we need to know meanings for these new words. And how will you get meanings for these new words? Come on, can one of you answer me? Yes, we should look into the dictionary. So when we look into the dictionary, we can find the meaning for all these new words. So now, ma'am is going to give you a homework. Yeah. All of you have your workbook, right? Yes. So in that, you have circled, right, all your new words? Yes. So in your workbook, page 11, you got to write your word list here. Okay, my word list. Can you see this box? Write all your hard words and also write the meanings. Find the meanings from the dictionary and write it in that box. And you have to complete this homework before 7 p.m. today and send it to ma'am's number. Is it clear? Show thumbs up. Yeah, that's great. Superb. So, apart from this, so ma'am, can I ask you a question? Oh, that's good. So, why are we all staying at home? Yeah, due to COVID. Yeah, okay. So, what are the measures that you are going to teach ma'am today to be safe at home? So, you are going to teach me and ma'am is going to learn. So, what we should do? Very good. We should wash hands. Yeah, we should wash hands then. Oh, we should not touch our eyes, nose and mouth. That's great. Then anything else important that we should do? Wear a mask. Superb. Then we should do social distancing. So we should never stand close to each other. Always form a namaste. Yeah, that's great. So can ma'am ask you a question? A GK question? So you should find the answer and tell it to me in the next class. So what type of bird is egret bird? So find out the answer and tell it to me in the next class. What type of bird is egret bird? Thank you, students. Bye.